Pegasus stalls Parliament again. TMC MP tears denial statement of IT Minister. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to you today's big news. The Pegasus row continued to rock Parliament with Union Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnav on Thursday making a statement in the Rajya Sabha denouncing reports that the spyware could have been used to snoop on opposition leaders, activists and others, and the opposition forcing repeated adjournments of the House. The afternoon session of the upper house witnessed some charged moments as opposition MPs led by Trinamool MP Shantanu Sen rushed to the well of the house and tore the minister's statement. When the house met at 2 p.m. after two earlier adjournments, Deputy Chairman Harivansh called for the IT Minister to present his statement before the Rajya Sabha. As Vaishnav rose to speak, the house erupted in slogans of "Stop Spying." While the slogan shouted intensified, TMC Sen, accompanied by several other members of this party, entered the well of the house and tore up the minister's statement, even as the deputy chairman called for calm. Amid the din, Vaishnav read out from the statement, nearly identical to the one he made on July 19th, a day after digital news platform The Wire, as a part of a global collaborative investigation, reported that 300 Indian numbers were on a list of potential targets of the Pegasus spyware. A highly sensational story was published by a web portal on July 18, 2021. Many over-the-top allegations were made around the story. The press report appeared a day before the monsoon session of the Parliament. This cannot be a coincidence, he said. In the past, similar claims were made regarding the use of Pegasus on WhatsApp. These reports had no factual basis and were categorically denied by all parties, including in the Supreme Court. The press reports of 18 July 2021 are also an attempt to malign the Indian democracy with its well-established institutions. We cannot fault those who haven't read the story in detail, and I request all honourable members to examine the issue on facts and logic, the minister added.